Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1, a 2, and a big wave 3. Most wave 3s do end around the 161.8 or beyond, so I'm definitely still not looking at the wave 3 as being over. I still think we potentially are going to go up to at least the 2550, maybe even close to the 2600 before we actually end this trend. So heading down to the weekly time frame, sorry. On the weekly time frame, if you zoom out a little bit, you can see that this is the wave 1, the wave 2 that I showed on the monthly, and then this is all subdivisions of a wave 3. 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3, 4 of 3, and right now I believe in a wave 5 of wave 3, which I still think has some more upside potential, probably the 50 or the 61% Fibonacci extension of wave 3 projected out the bottom of wave 4, I think is the most likely area to end this 5-wave pattern, which is 5 waves of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame, I'm definitely still looking for longs. I think the wave 4 actually ends back here, and then this is all a wave 5. 1 of 5, 2 of 5, 3 of 5, 4 of 5, and I think we probably are in the wave 5 right now of 5. I would definitely keep a close eye on this 50% because that is the 2500 and the market does love round numbers. I would definitely keep an eye on these Fibonacci levels for a turn for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this push up right here. I definitely, based on depending on what time frames you look for, we do have a break of structure to the downside. So if you do trade the 1 hour time frame and below, I would definitely be looking for shorts right now. If you trade like the 1 hour and up, then you're probably waiting for a Fibonacci bounce to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, it kind of depends on what kind of trader you are. If you trade the 1 hour time frame and below, then you're definitely probably looking for shorts ever since we got a break of structure to the downside. Definitely been a couple pretty nice sorting opportunities. If you're more of a swing trader, then you're probably waiting for 3 waves down, which I think we already got a wave A. I definitely see this as 3 waves up for wave B. I think we're already in a wave C, which I don't think the wave C is over yet. I would kind of expect it to maybe go down a little more to the 50 or the 61%. Once you see that double bottom at a Fibonacci level, that 3, 4, 5 shape with a break of structure, I would definitely stop looking for shorts and I would definitely start looking for longs again. Until I actually see this picture right here, though, that double bottom at a fib level with a break of structure, I mean, if you do trade these short time frames, I would definitely continue to look for shorts, at least until you really do see this picture right here. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.